Hi, in this video we are going to look at setting up new project templates in Evolve Zoo. New project templates allow you to specify a bin structure with subfolders for storing all your work in progress assets. It standardizes the folder structure that team members, editors can use to collaborate and find the specific assets like project briefs, scripts, voiceover files, media in a consistent bin structure. The topics that we will cover in this video include how to add a new project template as a media administrator, then how to use new project workflows as an end user in order to create the bin structure automatically when you start a new project. In order for new project templates to show up in the desktop app like the Zoom Asset Browser for a specific application or inside plugins such as the Adobe Premiere plugin, in order for the new project templates to show up, you must define that and add that through the web administration console. There are a couple of steps that you need to follow in order to do that. First, you need to create a desired subfolder structure on disk. So using Finder or Explorer, you can create a folder structure. Say, for example, I have a folder structure with bins like media, images, footages, scripts, etc. that I want inside my template. So go ahead and create a folder structure on disk with possibly empty folders. And then the second step is to add a sample project file. Like if you're working with Premiere Project, you would want to gather a PR proj from an actual project and make sure you clean it out so that it doesn't contain any footages. It just contains links to elements, like you might have stock audio, stock video, black video, or links to logos, whatever you want to put in the template. And it can, by the way, contain even footage links. So once you have prepped your project file, the shell for a project file, then the next step is to actually choose an icon, such as a 16 by 16 visual icon I have here called Yellow Dining Room. Once you have all that information, you need to create a zip. Now you can always try to create a zip by using right click and compress, but avoid that. The reason for that is if you use the zip built-in into Finder or Window Explorer, they can add a lot of intermediate files, hidden files, dot files that you really don't want in your template. So the best way to do this is using actually the command line or terminal, and this may require an admin to do that for you. So they can use the zip command to exclude all the hidden dot files as well as any autosave folders that might be created to create a clean zip. Once you have the zip, you have an icon, then you're ready to go into web administration console. And so you will head over to plugin, Adobe plugin, manage templates. Even though the templates are tied to Adobe apps, they can be used outside the Adobe app. So in order to create a new template, just click on add new template and you will choose the template icon, the 16 by 16 PNG, for example. You will choose a zip file. So that would be one of the steps where we created the zip with the folder structure. You will also choose which application it will show up in. New project templates always show up in the desktop app, but if you want certain templates to be tied to a specific creative app, then you can select, for example, Premiere Pro. You can specify a template name and a path to the actual project file. The group would be the category where the template would reside. So let me actually give you an example of one of an existing template. So you can see I've got an icon, got my zip file. This is CC 2019 template. And then I have the application, the template name, and a relative path. So within the zip file, the relative path to your actual project file, and then a group name like series. So you can see I have a bunch of templates for CC 2019 that I have added in here. And then once I add it, then I can call upon these templates from any app. So if I were in Premiere, like I showed you, I can click on new project and I'm calling upon these templates. And when I go through the whole workflow of creating a new project, it will instantiate the template.